42 Old Life Hacks from Grandma. You'll wish you learned sooner. If you've ever wondered how life seemed simpler in your grandma's time, it's because she had tricks up her sleeve that made every day easier. Here are 42 timeless hacks she swore by, treasures of wisdom for anyone seeking a touch of brilliance in their routine. Keep bananas fresh longer. Grandma would wrap the banana stems with plastic wrap to keep them fresh for days longer. It worked like magic. Rejuvenate wilting flowers. To revive wilting flowers, she'd add a pinch of sugar and a few drops of vinegar to the vase water. Those blooms perked up beautifully. The perfect egg test. To check if an egg was fresh, she'd place it in a bowl of water. If it floated, it was bad. If it sank, it was good to go. Butter softener in a pinch. When butter was too hard, she'd place it in a Ziploc bag and roll it with a rolling pin to soften it evenly. No microwave needed. These hacks, and 38 others, are the kind of practical wisdom you'll wish you'd known sooner. They don't just simplify life, they connect us to a time when resourcefulness was a daily habit. Want more? Let Grandma's timeless wisdom transform your modern-day hassles into joys.